rather damp Thursday in Lat Krabang. I'm back at Gettuned. I was here a few weeks ago to make some videos on a couple of Peugeot, a 205 and a 306, both of them pretty mental little machines. Those small B-segment Peugeots turned into race cars that were potent. So if you want to catch up with them, I'll drop a link in the description below. You can see those cars because they're well worth looking at. And since I made those videos, they've both been out on the racetrack, they've both been on the podiums, they're both proving that they're not just a mean looking project, they actually work. But today, something completely different. I'm here for this 430, and to give some background, this 430 belongs to Mac from MacTec Racing. He's a real power, dynamics, performance, crazy guy. No stone is left unturned by him in chasing that. And I've actually been to his garage and made a couple of videos, and I'll drop some links in the description below so you can catch up, you can get a feel for the garage, where he's coming from. Because one video I just basically went right round the garage one day I was there, all the mental projects he had in, we just introduced them. It's well worth a look. Today we're looking at this 430, and what he's done is put a new race exhaust on it, bypassed the cats. So basically we're going to be looking, I would guess, about another 30 horsepower on top, and a hell of a nice sound on top as well. So what we're going to do is I'm going to ask Mac to introduce why he's here today, then we're going to look at it on the dyno, and then we're going to get George to talk about what he's done afterwards. And apart from anything, the sound already is fantastic on this car, so I'm looking forward to when it does higher rev runs for certainly. I think it's going to be worth sticking around watching this video just for the sound. Must say as well, Mac, with all his cars, he's also got a Scuderia, so he's going to be able to benchmark a little bit to get a feel, and I think that's what we're going to get today. We're going to get a little bit of a Scuderia feel into this 430, and it's going to become a lot more fun, and it's going to sound a lot more exciting.
This car I have already changed the exhaust system. I have delete cat, it means cat bypass, no catalytic, and the muffler is Capristo less series. So this car have already modified the exhaust system to more flow out. So I come today to remap ECU to match with the exhaust system. So the horsepower should be increased about 30 or 40, something like that. But actually, exactly, I want to make the smooth driving and match the program with the exhaust.
ครับก็วันนี้มี Ferrari รุ่น F430 เข้ามานะครับเพื่อทำการรีแมปนะครับขั้นตอนของเราก็วัดแรงม้าเอาไว้ของเดิมว่ามีกี่แรงม้าเสร็จแล้วเราก็ทำการอ่านไฟล์เอาไฟล์ไปอิดิทเข้ามาแก้ไขนะครับหลังจากแก้ไขเสร็จแล้วเรามีปรับปรุงเรื่องของส่วนผสมน้ำมันนะครับแล้วก็องศาจุดระเบิดลืมบอกรายละเอียดเครื่องนิดนึงเป็นเครื่อง V8 นะครับ 4,300 ซีซี ครับ